Free Palestine.
Yeah.
See the white beak?
No. But this one on the left, yeah?
Please don't make me do it. Nah, please don't make me do it off the field. Y'all gonna make me do it. Please don't make me do it. Please don't make me. Y'all gonna make me do it on these niggas talking.
Go get your birds.
Here. You going right?
Yeah, I'll go left, you go right.
All right.
Tag team,
I'm gonna fall out. Dude, oh my, casting and blasting.
Pass another ashtray with my nigga MAC on in that last tray. Y'all gonna make me do it. Please don't make me do it. Please don't make me do it off the real. Yeah. Y'all gonna make me do it. Y'all gonna make me do it. I'll blast a little nigga from the hill.
So anyways, the starter blast.
Yeah.
How many y'all got? Well, I just shot 5 with 2 shells.
Yeah.
I went bam, bam, click, and I was like, oh fuck. And then I look and I just see flopping. I was like, oh!
Oh! Deaf as fuck. Yeah, I'm down to like my last 4. If it comes to it, bro, we'll fucking slug one out.
I would love I would love to see the hit the Coot. Yeah, this has got to happen again when I find some more bird load. Even if it's just coots again, I'd be totally down.
Oh, dude, I would do this all day. Appreciate it, man.